Okay, this is a 1951 Nash Statesman Custom 4-door. And it's got the original flathead 6 in it. The engine was locked up when I got it. It's been sitting for 20 plus years, maybe 30. But I didn't rebuild it, just took it apart and put it back together again pretty much. And it runs pretty well.
Wow, that doesn't even look normal.
You got your 1978 inspection sticker, so at least it passed then.
Oh wow.
It drives pretty well considering, I mean, you know.
I just heard you start it and it just sounded smooth and silky and wonderful.
Yeah, maybe. Like I was saying, I've had some troubles with the starter drive. I cannot find the correct starter drive for a 51 Statesman with manual transmission.
Okay.
And it's different than the Ambassadors.
So now the car's for sale for $500 or what?
No.
Hey Joe.
I don't have.
It's not for sale.
I don't have.
The car
much,
gets sold, I'm buying it.
I don't have too much in it. Maybe all said and done is probably about $3,500 in it.
Really?
Yeah.
And the underhood looks like this? Oh. That's amazing.
Yeah, like I said, it's not rebuilt.
Yeah.
It's
You
just
do good work, Austin.
taken apart and put it back together.
We owe everything to Advance Auto Parts for all their help.
You sure do,
Well, I don't know.
Don't forget it either.
They don't carry too much for this.
Yeah, I recall that.
Yeah.
Are these tires new?
1966.
No.
Really?
Yeah, they're not
years
new.
old.
They look pretty good. I guess they don't.
Tires are older than the manager of Advance.
But I mean, when you really look at them, you see how cracked they are. But
Okay.
I mean, they're okay for driving around.
Yeah.
104, we get a vibration.
We certainly don't go 104. The overdrive, I don't have the overdrive working yet.
Yeah.
And so 45, 50 is that's about it.
Max it'll do?
Yeah.
Ooh, it's got a trunk too.
Well, there's the fuel tank for now.
Okay,
Bought
that's
the car, Jimmy Hoffa, and one other guy were in the trunk.
oh boy. Wow, well thank you for bringing it by, Austin.
Sure.
The thing's gorgeous. I love it. I like its originality. And the original 66 wheels. I like that.
That's great.
I don't feel so bad about my 5-year-old ones on my vet.
I'm not entirely sure how or why the tires are still okay. I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't know how much longer they'll be okay.
Yeah. They must have had them stored or something.
Yeah.
Funny.
We've got one other issue, that's with the rubber.
Yeah.
Got to do a little rubber
They actually
repair.
make that. There's a company that makes that.
Yeah.
Believe it or not.
Look at this. Are you
That's
serious?
crazy, yeah. That's what the Florida Sun will do to a car, huh?
Unbelievable.
That's amazing.
Thank God the dash was made out of steel.
And look at these wipers.
Advance Auto Parts.
Right. Thanks again, Austin. This is another winner.
Thanks.
Betcha.